Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert row in a table with Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the MS Word file, any kinds of file. Here we can add or take some kinds of table, and in that table we can add some row. So how it will work, so let's check. First of all, here it is a MS Word file. So here insert option will take the table. See, here we have taken 1 2 3 4 tables. So now we want to add, if sometimes we needed to add some kinds of row, so here we can. So click here, right button. So here the insert we want to do the column. So uh, how can we do? So if we want to do the below side, that means the below section, we wanna increase the row, so we have to press the insert row below. As well as if we wanna do, or if we require the row above, so we can press the above. So now we will take the insert. See, the below row uh, has been inserted. So now we want to do the above side. So click the right button. So here the insert. See, insert row above. So click. See, the above row has been revealed. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.